we're all in this together.
So it was in response to the global pandemic that was happening. So we created a project called the Design Your Habitat campaign, which had a theme about comparing what's the normally isolated and confined conditions of space capsules and space habitats and space environments in general for humans to live in, and what we were now going through here around the world in being more socially distant. So these activities are still open, but we're adding more and more for students to use throughout the summer and maybe even in the fall and the spring. Welcome to Design Your Habitat.
I feel like the kind of science fiction that I write, mostly, like with both Extant and Reverie, were what they would call out here in Hollywood, like grounded science fiction, sort of near future, and they were sort of just a leap, 5 minutes into the future. There's a technology that may exist, self-driving cars.
I came from a STEAMy family. I grew up with not only artists and musicians, but I also grew up with astronomers, mathematicians, and lawyers. So we always loved incorporating science with the arts. And one of the consistent things for my whole family was a love for the stars.
Favorite architects said that we are all astronauts on board Spaceship Earth. And I think it's really a wonderful thing to see when you're designing for a totally alien environment where we haven't been born into, that what the Earth does for us. How much, of our physical being and emotional being is tied to this Earth. And
I just want to start off with kind of giving a little backstory of why I want to be an aerospace engineer. Because when I was a really little kid, I can remember hearing about New Horizons and how it was going further than anything we've ever made before, and I thought that would be cool. And so when I was really young, I decided I want to do something like that.
The thing about it is that if you want to put all of your interests together, nothing does that like the space program. It's a combination of everything that I really love. It's marine science, diving, photography, geology, flying, international aspects. What for me is cool is cooking in strange places, and above all, I think kind of meeting people that are just like you.